Hello, my name is Race Kinzer, and I'm just doing my Mod 2 reflection. I installed Chrome to do part 1, and I really didn't have any problems with it. I had to update it, that's about it though, but there was no problems. I have created a PDF before for other classes because I used to go to Coffeyville Community College, so I had to do some stuff like that when I was there. I think that PDF files can be useful as a future teacher in many different ways. I think that they can be sent easier and converted easier across all different programs like Mac computers or Windows. I didn't really have any trouble recording myself. I just don't like to do it. I tend to be nervous when I do videos of myself because I think I'm making too many errors. I think that videos are better to do teaching through because nowadays you have COVID and people are getting quarantined more often. So teaching through a recording like this would be better than having the students just read books because they probably wouldn't get any encouragement for that. So I don't think that would be a good idea just to have your students just read a book. Thank you for watching my Mod 2 reflection.